Hello our kitty can draw friends. This video is so cozy that you might want a blanket. Today we're drawing an elf hot chocolate. Let's start. First draw a curved line for the rim of the mug. Then draw a diagonal line coming down from each side, each going inwards. Connect them together at the bottom with another curved line. For the mug handle, draw half a heart shape on the right side and a bigger one around it. Now decorate the top part of the glass with a zigzag line that looks like the color of the elf costume. Draw 2 circles in the middle for the buttons. To make the whipped cream on top, draw 2 curves attached to each other on each side, going up diagonally towards the center. Then make another curve coming out from each side, going upwards, ending with a pointy end. For the elf hat, draw a zigzag line on the left side of the whipped cream. Then draw an upside down letter U coming out from it. Then draw a larger one above it and connect them together at the bottom. Now draw a star on the tip of the hat. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Decorate the hat with a few lines for the creases. On the other side of the whipped cream, draw a diagonal line going up, ending with an upside down letter U. Then draw a similar smaller one under and connect them together at the end to finish the candy cane. Decorate it with a few stripes. Now draw some oval shapes randomly scattered all over the whipped cream for the sprinkles. Elfalicious! Now you can draw an elf hot chocolate. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.